guys, it's Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very interesting and super exciting technique that we're doing using this wig from Myfirstwig. Now before we get started, I do want to say and mention this is the longest wig I've ever gotten from Myfirstwig. It is 26 inches long, okay? So I was really excited to see how the hair performs, how it reacts. I've been wearing it for a couple of days. Is it gonna shed? Is it gonna tangle? And honestly, I've been quite impressed with it this whole time that I have been wearing it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me definitely showing it off several times. So today's topic is I'm gonna actually be using a technique that I seen from lovely Brianna. I know she does mention in her description box that she did find it from a Google forum, but I wanted to go ahead and test out the method because it looked so freaking good when I watched her video. Now I know I'm late to the game. She made this video 3 years ago. Since I just found it, I was so excited to try it, and I'm like, yes, I need to. So first things first, you're gonna want to get a powder and just pretty much spread it all over the inner parts of the lace. Now I did not watch her video completely because I didn't want to, copy or anything. I did skim through the video. I did see her put powder on the lace as I'm doing. I'm assuming to kind of tint the lace. If not, this is definitely why I'm doing it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏, and I got this from my local CVS. It's like the best product ever. I've never heard of it until I watched her video. Pretty much, it comes like in these little rectangle sizes. And because this wig has 6-inch parting, you're gonna need to use 1.5 of these, okay? So this thing is super, super, super sticky, all right? So you don't wanna peel off the not sticky parts all at one time. You wanna do half and then lightly, slowly roll it onto the lace, and it will kind of bounce back a little bit as I'll show you. But you just want to go ahead and just use your fingers and smoothen it out, and it will stay put and stay in place. So freaking impressed. You can see the difference. This is it with the 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏, and this is it without the 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏. Huge difference, and makes all the difference. Kind of added some brightness to the parting, and then I did go ahead and cut it in half. Now, when you're doing this, the reason why I cut it in half is you do not want the 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏 silicone tape thingy to go into the hairline, okay? Because it will show underneath and it won't lay as flat. That's what I found when I was experimenting. If you want to put it up to the hairline and try it out, and if you like it better that way, then go right ahead. But I didn't do that. I did go ahead and use glue though. You guys know how I feel about glue. I'm not a glue girl. I'm more so a gotta be glue holding spray, take a wig off at night type of chick. I'm not gonna wear my wigs for more than probably 4 to 5 days at a time. With the glue, I feel like it's just harder to take off and it's just more messy, okay? Gotta be glue is not that messy. So for me, it's my go-to, and it's easy, and all I need is water to take it off. So yeah, definitely go ahead and use your preferred method when you're doing this. Go ahead and place the wig onto where the glue is. Let it sit. Don't push it into the scalp like too hard, just lightly. Make sure it's sticking and tacking down. And honestly, this lace looks damn good. Like, I was in awe with the lace. It looks really good. It matches my skin. Sometimes I feel like it is a bit lighter than my skin, but I think the powder that we put on in the first half of the video definitely makes a huge difference, okay? So I would definitely go ahead and put the powder on. Don't skip that step. If you need to tint your wig, your powder's not doing enough, then go ahead and tint before you put the 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏 on. Go ahead and just cut your lace off, girl. And if you're not subscribed at this point, I hope you are enjoying this video and will want to subscribe to my channel and join the gang. Now, after I thought the glue was entirely dry, I did go ahead and comb it back. You can see it looks 𝗨𝗲𝗲𝗲. Like, it looks amazing. I did tie it down with my scarf just to make sure it was set and stays in place. While my hairline is being set, I am going to go ahead and start perfecting the parts. I did hot comb, girl. You know, if you don't have a hot comb, use a curling iron. I am using this wax stick from Myfirstwig, which does wonders. If you're having a hard time getting one side flatter than the other, definitely opt in for the wax stick. It does wonders, girls. Okay, definitely does. If you don't have a hot comb, use your best curling iron and get that top of your head flat. Okay, make it flat. Now this part right here just took a lot of sculpting, a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of patience. I'm very particular about my hairline, so I did use some olive oil, setting foam, and just kind of made natural looking baby hairs. Okay, you don't have to do all the swoopy swoops, but you know, a couple won't hurt you. Now I'm going to be using my concealer that I use as a foundation because it's the same, around the same skin color as me, and only put it in the front. The part where we didn't put this scar away because we don't want it to be too close to the hairline, I only colored that part so that it would all match. And I went to bed and woke up the next day looking like this. Ow. All right, guys, so if you're looking for anything, it'll be down below in the description box. Everything is there. The hair deets, the hair price, look down below. Everything is there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.